up, Airkewld Army? It's your friend Pete. Back again. This time, we're heading two places today. A couple of my favorite companies. One new already, one old. We'll first talk about express stripping. I've used them for, I don't know, 10, 15 years. They've grown. They've been using, doing work for other clients that you might be familiar with, especially this guy. Gonna go get the chassis dipped in ammonia for a week or so, kind of get it all cleaned out, ready for us to do our magic, turn poop into ice cream. So that's actually happening. And secondary, we're heading to our new powder coating company that we're using, ARC Coatings. Pretty much exhausted everybody in the Phoenix Valley area, and all of them are thumbs down. But found this company on a whim. Come to find out, in our early days, we used a company called Glendale Powder Coating when it was owned by Don Stebleton. And when he sold, it kind of went downhill. And all those guys that left after Don left went over to ARC Coatings. And I went there and I was like, hot damn, somebody that can kind of reach that level that I want. You guys don't even know you want it, and then when you get it, you're like, okay, hell yeah, Pete's thinking of us. And that's been my mantra. I want to blow you guys away with each thing we do. And now it's transferring to videos. So we appreciate, number one, you following along, subscribing, and being a part of our journey as we take it in this, can we call it a virus world? You have a choice. You can listen to me vlog about our sale that's coming up, the Black Friday sale, the largest sale for our team. Last year we did 137 beams. Pretty amazing deal for us, which means many people take advantage of the 10% off. So the code BLACK21 is the coupon code the day after Thanksgiving through the next Monday. So 4 days. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Dates are on the screen here. Link is in the description. Go along with the time lapse, see what happens along our journey to the strippers. Woo-hoo. And not really. Sorry, baby. And then we're going to the powder coaters, and we're gonna do a little showcase of them. And you're along for the ride. We appreciate it. Click that button should you like this film. Subscribe if you want to see more. We're almost to 10K, giving away an ultimate beam. And if you haven't yet, make sure you tell us what you'd like to see us give away for 20K. Thanks, guys.